Now and then I try to put in words how I love you so much. I want to tell you the exact length I can go to see that you remain happy the rest of your life. The more I try to put them in words, I feel miserably. I love you so much. Words are not just enough. I will never betray you or do anything to hurt you. I love you too much to risk losing you. You are the brightest spot in my day. Without you, my life would be all darkness. I am so in love with you that it is hard to think straight. All I want is to be in love with you for the rest of my life. You don't know how relieving and awesome it is for me to return from my hectic everyday job knowing fully well I am coming home to meet the best woman in the world. Seriously, you are like the shore I return to after my rigorous activities. I am really the luckiest man alive to have you as mine. I adore you. You are that unique star shining in those dark corners of my life. You spared good vibes in my life. I am having the best time of my life with you. I don't look outside anymore. I have all I need in you. I love you so much. I feel so proud of you. That's why you get a lot of texts and mentions on all my social media handles. I love you so much and I won't get tired of letting the whole world know you are awesome, and it's a great feeling showing of a lovely person. I am happy I have you in my life. Tell me if my love will ever be in a world you love to be mine. There goes my babe. If this is a dream, then do not make me up. I love you. I know she can break my heart because she is out of my league, but I still want to date her. Let us love each other as we have never loved before. I cherish you when you dance, smile, or cry. Everything you do stays in my mind. I adore you. Am I more? You make me lose control even when I am confident that I have things under control. I remember you not waiting to kiss me, but now you are using my toothbrush. I love you. I do not want tomorrow to come without telling you I love you, my princess. If you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. I madly in love with you. I am stuck on you like glue, but cannot get enough of you. I miss you and can't wait to see you. I want to love you the best way I can because I live only once. I miss you so much. You look like someone from my past and my future. I feel like I have known you my entire life. Let us not waste time thinking about people's opinions about our love. I love you too, the love of my life, my heart, my soul, my everything. I cannot wait to spend the rest of eternity with you because every day with you is better than the last. I am thankful that fate has finally given me the chance to be with you because I could not imagine spending my life with anyone else. I love you and always will. Thanks for watching video.